This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade hummus. To begin, gather your ingredients. You will need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of tahini. Also, have 1 small garlic clove and a pinch of salt ready. This simple list ensures a delicious and easy preparation for your homemade treat. Now that your ingredients are ready, let's start blending. First, drain and rinse your chickpeas well. Then, add the chickpeas, fresh lemon juice, and the small garlic clove to your food processor. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of cold water. Blend these ingredients together until they form a mostly smooth, paste-like consistency, scraping down the sides as needed. It's time to add the key flavors. Introduce the 2 tablespoons of tahini to the food processor with your chickpea mixture. Also, add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Continue blending until the hummus becomes wonderfully creamy and smooth. Take a moment to taste it and feel free to add more salt or lemon juice if you prefer a bolder flavor. Your delicious homemade hummus is now complete. Carefully transfer it to a serving bowl. For a beautiful presentation and extra flavor, drizzle 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil over the top. You can also garnish it with a sprinkle of paprika or some fresh chopped parsley. Serve your fresh hummus immediately with warm pita bread or your favorite crisp vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.